We were all overwhelmed by listening to the chants of Holy Sri Gurupada Stotram. Looks like Mataji has started, a volunteer said devoutly with deep reverence. The aura of Mataji is so powerful that it can be felt even from here. This divine realization seemed to have a calming effect on our minds. The volunteers had prepared breakfast for everyone and greeted each one warmly. I hurried back to the hall and joined the others to welcome and get a darshan of Mataji. All of us were attracted by the large Sri Chakra, which was so beautifully and carefully decorated on the stage. The Sri Chakra for every Guru Purnima is drawn by those volunteers who are specially selected by Mataji and is decorated in accordance with Mataji's instructions. All the planning and execution is taken care by the blessings of Mataji. Those volunteers who have a high level of commitment and devotion and are lucky to be selected for this work have to simply follow Mataji's instructions. Only pure natural ingredients are used for drawings or decorations of Sri Chakra. After cleaning the base area, the Sri Chakra is drawn. For coloring and decorating the Sri Chakra, rock salt is used for white color, turmeric for yellow, vermilion for red, neem, bilwa, and basil leaves are dried, ground, and then mixed in a specific ratio for green color. All these are done as per the guidance of Mataji. It seems that the Sri Chakra glows with a special aura. We are reminded about the Sri Chakra, which is formed near our Manipura Chakra when we meditate, keeping our hands in the Sri Chakra Mudra. The stage and all its surroundings are adorned with the rangoli, flowers, and arches. Some volunteers were waiting at the entrance with the Purna Kalash, which is a vessel containing holy water, to welcome Mataji. Inside the hall, Guru Stotram was being played. Wonderful sambrani fragrance filled the air. Kindness seemed to be overflowing from the portraits of Sri Bhognath Siddhar and Sri Mahavatar Babaji, and those divine vibrations emanating from their eyes were all over the place. A spiritually conscious person could easily sense and experience the divinity in that environment. At exactly 9 o'clock, Mataji entered the hall, and at once the atmosphere was energized. It seemed as if Mataji's aura was touching and blessing so many people, even from a distance. One could sense an unknown feeling of calmness and peace within. Everyone was anxious to go forward to catch a glimpse of Mataji. However, the trained volunteers gently reminded them to be disciplined. Softly radiating energy to everyone with her smiling eyes, Mataji approached the dais and went on first to offer flowers and prayers at the beautifully decorated portraits of Sri 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 Bhognath Siddhar and Sri 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 Mahavatar Babaji. The true meaning of the word Guru can be seen in the exemplary way Mataji shows love, devotion, care, and humility towards the Paramagurus.